Yo, my name's Evo, and I am an upcoming tattoo artist. I've been using, it's kind of cheaper. What's crazy because it's kind of more expensive than the one I got here, but supposedly this one's way better. Just doing a review or unboxing, I guess you can say. I just received this one in the mail. This is the BIGWASP Cartridge Pen Rotary Tattoo Machine. It is from China with a Japan motor, and I know there's a lot of controversy and a lot of bad feedback from there, but I've read the reviews. I actually know an artist that has this machine, and they say it's great. So we're gonna check it out. As you can see, I don't know if you guys, I was started to open it, and I'm like, let me do a review. I see a lot of people asking for reviews on this, and I tried to look up some YouTube reviews for it, but I didn't find any. So I figured I'd do it myself. All right, let's open this up. I ordered this on Amazon because of the whole Corona COVID-19 thing going on. It took a little while to get to me, but it wasn't too long, it wasn't too bad. Like I said, I've only been tattooing for about a year now. Self-taught, but my work's pretty good. I'm not on here trying to act like I'm the world's best tattoo artist or I know every single thing or anything like that. So it comes with the power cord. This is the machine, the BIGWASP pen. Let's see what this is. Oh, I guess that's how you adjust it. The one I have now, it kind of clicks. I kind of like the clicking. I might have to get a little used to this one. But this one's actually kind of cool because you can adjust the depth of the needle. Set this right here. Some rivets. And that's it. That's all it comes with. Like I said, this got some really good reviews. And tattoo artist I know that uses it recommended it to me, so I went on ahead and ordered it. Let me give this one a shot. Let's see how this goes in. That's nice. Nice and snug, not loose. The machine I have now, I'm actually having issues with. So this came right in time. Just having issues with my cord coming out. This looks like it will not come out easily though. Let me go and get a cartridge. All right, just grab the 18 round cartridge. These cartridges I have are cheap ones I bought from, we have a store out here called Glass House. Buy them from there, but I've tried the, what's it called? I think BIGWASP needles. They're actually pretty good. I've tried Da Vinci needles. Da Vinci I think are better than the BIGWASP or BIGWASP, however you say it. went in nice. It's snug. Another issue I have with the machine I have now, it kind of just comes right out. I was tattooing today and it just popped right out. I don't know if you guys have that issue or what, but I'm happy I'm not using that one anymore. Let me show you guys the one I use now. I'm using now. I don't really know if it has a specific name or anything. I bought it from the glass house. It was $100. I mean, it was good when I first got it, but I think it's just getting worn out now. It's just not as good as I thought it was gonna be. But I mean, there's definitely some similarities. And then you try to put this one in here. You see how it just comes right out, and that's the big issue I was having. Oh, there it goes. Gonna have to snap it over, but even when you go over as much as you can and you're tattooing, and it just comes right out. So hopefully I don't have the same issues I did with that one. With this one, I'm gonna adjust the needle. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Doesn't go that far up though. Hopefully it goes a little further somehow. For an 18 round liner, you might need to go a little further than that. But and on this one, you can see this one, to adjust it, it clicks up and it clicks down. And as you can see, I actually ordered this off Amazon. Like I said, it was literally only $59.99, which I was a little skeptic of, because, you know, cheap machine, you get cheap results. But reading the reviews gave me some hope. Actually had some pretty good reviews. So I'm like, why not? And I was literally just about to buy like a $600-700 machine, and why not try this one out first before I go ahead and spend all that money on that one. But yeah, so just a little unboxing review, or whatever you want to call it, for this machine. Hopefully you guys like it. I will probably do another video once I actually start using it, and let you guys know how it runs, how it shades, how it lines, just a bit more in depth with it. I also ordered this new Bronc power supply. Has great reviews on this too. And this one also won't break the bank if you're kind of a money saver like myself. So I'm gonna try that out. I'm gonna try this out. May do another video, depending on how this one does, and let you guys know. Thank you.